Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can do some amazing looking sublimation license plates with some really basic and simple techniques on setting up your file, your design, to get a edge-to-edge print, if you will. And so we'll get started here, starting with a clear gloss mill finish aluminum license plate. Really neat effect. It's not your standard white, so it gives like a silver chromish look, kind of a metallic. And we're going to be using some artwork that an artist designed. It's the popular motorcycle logo. This is not for sale. This is not my artwork. I'm just using this as a sample to show how the silver can show through on where your white areas are and look really, really good. So what we do is we set the artwork up to be a 1/16 of an inch bigger all the way around, or each direction, I should say, than the license plate. So your license plates are typically 6 by 12. We set our artwork up at 6 and a 1/16 by 12 and a 1/16. That way it leaves a little bit of bleed around the outside for a full coverage plate. So we'll put this face down here. What we'll do is we'll center this on this image. So there's a little bit of the ink showing all the way around. And once you get it where you want it, you're just going to take some heat tape and simply tape it in place. I just use 2 pieces, 1 at each end. Get them down real secure. And you can see we have black all the way around the plate showing. So then what we're going to do is we're going to actually put it in our heat press just like this. I like to press these face down so that the heat platen comes down on top of the aluminum. So we'll put a piece of butcher paper on top and one underneath, so it'll be sandwiched in between. That'll help protect the press and also protect the plate. We'll do that at 395 degrees for 45 seconds. What I found out is if you go to 60 seconds, you'll get what looks like watermarks on the face of the plate in the artwork. It's actually scorching it or overcooking it. So that may change for your press, but that's what works for us. So we'll give this a try. We'll put this in the press. And we'll do that for 45 seconds. All right, so we just took this thing off the heat press, and it's going to be very hot. This metal will burn you really quick. So the simplest way to take this off too is I like to flip it over and just tear the paper in half and peel it off. And you can get rid of your tape. There you have a printed, really cool metallic looking. Since the inks are transparent, they just pop really well, show through. So all of your color there, the orange, even the blacks, the browns, the grays, all have a metallic glow to them or chrome type look. So it's really a neat effect. Highly recommend trying some license plates like this. The white are very neat, but this gives even another level that your customers may like. So hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.